Assalamualaikum, my dear student. Hope you are all having a good day. Today I will going to discuss about geometry. It's day 1, lecture number 1. I have collected some items: black box, my notebook, match, egg, tennis ball and metal ball. Let's observe their outer parts. Outer parts, here match's outer parts is flat, but look, X outer part is not flat, means curved. Here matchbox, black box and my notebook's outer part is flat. This flat outer part is called flat surface, and this curved outer part is called the curved surface. And assume a piece of paper as flat surface. Here is a small tiny dot is called point. Point is used for describing geometrical figures on a surface. And usually we use pencil to draw geometrical figure. That's why we can tell a small dot of a sharpened pencil is called point. Now I am drawing another point. Let's give them a name. I have called this one A and B. I want to join this A and B. This geometrical figure is called line segment. Now I want to extend it. That's why I want to expand it from B to infinity. Then this geometrical figure will call ray. Again I want to expand it A to infinity. Then this geometrical figure will called line. Now what is point? A small dot of a sharpened pencil is called a point. Here A is a point. If question is like that, draw and define a point, you have to write first definition and you have to draw a point. Next, what is line? A set of points, a straight line or curved path is called a line. Here AB is a line. Don't forget to draw this arrow sign. This arrow sign represents line have no starting point and no ending points. Now, line segment. A part of a line is called line segment. Here AB is a line segment. After that, what is ray? A set of points along a straight line is called a ray. Here EF is a ray. F arrow sign represents there is no ending point of a ray. Don't forget to draw this arrow sign. We want to draw 10 centimeter line. First we have to start 0 and where it's in 10. First we have to place this scale, mark 0 and then mark 10 and add these 2 points. We got 10 centimeter line or line segment. Now I am going to draw a new thing. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, ray. I am going to draw another ray. Here this one is black ray and this one is green ray. If two rays meet at a point is called angle. Geometrically we call this an angle. For explaining angle we use this sign. I am giving a name. I named this black ray AB and this ray BC. Here A and B is one ray, another ray is BC. These two AB and BC is sides of an angle. An angle have two rays, okay? And this meeting point, this corner point is, this common point is called vertex. AB and BC, two sides, be vertex. Here ABC is an angle. You must use this sign for indicating angle, and you have to write this middle point in middle. Here A, B, C is a point. If we draw another angle, I named it D, E, F. How to write this? First you have to give this angle sign. Then you have to start from D, E, F or F, E, D. Both are correct, but you have to write E in middle. So we can write this angle's name D, E, F or F, E, D. Then the definition of an angle is when two rays meet at a point is called angle. Here D, E, F is an angle. Don't forget to give this sign and this sign. And of course you have to write middle E because this is vertex. Always you have to write vertex in middle. Today we have learned about a point. A small dot of a sharpened pencil is called a point. Then a line, a set of points, a straight line or curved path is called a line. Here AB is a line. line have no starting points and no ending points. Line segment. Part of a line is called line segment. Here QF is a line segment. Then array. Arrays is a set of points along a straight line. Here line segment have both starting and ending points, but ray have only starting points but no ending points. An angle. Here PQR is an angle, and PQ and QR is two rays which are made in Q points. Then angle is when two rays meet at a point is called angle. Don't forget to write angle sign. For today, thank you very much.